Hey guys, Gaming Cowboy here, and today we are doing a 7 Deadly Sins character tier list. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Elizabeth. So, Elizabeth is probably one of my most favorite characters, but I don't know whether she's an S or an A. I mean, yeah, she's an S because she's was like one of the main, like one of the first characters we see, other than like Meliodas and Hawk, obviously. Now we are going to do Meliodas. He is also an amazing character, but yeah, I'm going to put him as an S tier as well. Now I'm going to do Gloxinia. He is not that bad of a character, but he's not like a top tier character, so I'm going to put him as a B tier. Now Elaine. I don't really like her because she doesn't really get much screen time in the. We shouldn't get much screen time anyway, so I'm gonna put her as a D. Now Hawk, he is a clear S tier. So daytime Escanor is a D tier as well because he's not like cool at all. So Droll, I like him. He's a good character. So I'm gonna put him as A tier. Now Bon. See, now I don't know whether he's an A tier, like high A, like like mid S tier. Yeah, he's a high A, so like A plus and stuff. Esterosa. I like him. He's a good character. Uther. Hmm. I'm not 100% sure. I like Gotha, but yeah, I'm gonna put him as B. And this is wrong. There we go. um, Zeldris. He is a good character. He's S tier, because in the movie, he's like, he changes. Monspeed. I'm gonna put him as A tier. Escanor, like full power. He's not that good. I mean, I'm not a fan of Escanor in the first place. But I'll put him as A. Who shall I do next? I'm gonna do Merlin. Oh, no. So Merlin, She's probably mid A tier, so I'm gonna put her there. Who? So I'm gonna do Fraudrin now. So he's not amazing, but I mean I like the story behind him because he possesses. I'm not sure. Is it Griamore? No, it's his dad, I think. But he's nice. I like him. I'm gonna put him as C tier. Derriere. I like Derriere. She is probably my favourite commandment, so she's S tier as well. I mean, Derriere is evil. Yeah. Also, I like her hair as well. Okay, now my least favourite character in the entire show, Melaskia. She almost killed Bond. And I'm not really a fan of her because of that. She's a horrible person. So now the one I'm gonna do is Galland. I like him. Although the way he dies is kind of pathetic. So he's gonna be a C tier. King, one of my favourites. He's S tier. Diane. Diane, also one of my favourites. High A tier. I, now, I don't know where to put Matrona. I like her. See, now, Matrona. She's not the best. I mean, but she gets a lot of screen time in the film. So I'm gonna put as A tier. So this is my 7 Deadly Sins character tier list. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like the video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.